How to make Facebook account private on PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here on Facebook, there's not actually just one button that we can click or toggle on in order for us to make our account private, except for locking your account. However, there are quite a lot of things that we can do here in order to make our account as private as possible, and I'm going to go ahead and show you that one. First things first, go ahead and click your account here, and then we're going to open settings and privacy, and make sure to click privacy check up. Now from here, you have the option that says who can see what you share. If you're going to click this one, click continue, you will have here profile information. So what you are going to do is change the options down here in order to make it as private as possible. For example, if I were to click this one, you have the option that says only me, click that, save, and then for the email, it's only me as well. We have the birthday, so we can click this and then change it to only me as well. So basically what we are going to do is set all of them as much as possible to only me. We're going to go ahead and try to do that. All right, there you go. So I've set everything here to only me. I can just go ahead and click the next, and the same thing is what I'm going to do here. Now in this case, for example, stories, you can click this one. However, there isn't an option here. It says only me. So you can just go ahead and click custom, save it, and then go ahead and try to pick just one person whom you think is not very much connected to you. Say for example, I'm just going to click this one here, click save, and then click save once again. So basically only that particular person will be able to see my story, and I'm not sure if he cares. So go ahead and click the limit here, limit, click next, and then we're going to click next once again, and then we are going to review another topic. Now there is one thing here that is also very important, this one here, how people can find you on Facebook. So if you're going to click this one, click continue, you're just going to go ahead and click this, and then we're going to go ahead and set it to friends of friends. So click the save button, and yep, click next once again from here, and then we're just going to go ahead and click this one, no one, there you go. So click next, and last but not the least here, so it's going to ask you, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? So I'm just going to disable this one, click next, and we're going to review another topic. So once we are done here, we can just go ahead and click our profile once again, click settings and privacy, and then we're going to go ahead and click settings. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to audience and visibility. Now there are more options here that you can do, so I want you to go ahead and try them out. For example, profile details, click this one here, and then here you can just go ahead and click this, edit privacy, and then you have here the friends list, which is already set to only me, following. However, for the followers, it's still in public, so click that one, set this to only me, and then save it. Now we're just going to go back there earlier. All right, here now I'm going to go ahead and click the post, stories, reels, followers and public content, profile and tagging, and then blocking. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing here. So limit past posts, limit this. There you go. Audience change complete. Now here. So what's in your stories? Who can see your stories? So we have already customized this one to only one person. So that is important. Now allow others to share your public stories. Now this is not applicable anymore. So yep, these are not applicable anymore. So you can close this one. Allow others to share your reels to their story. We're going to disable this one, and then we're going to click this, and then we're just going to make our reels available to our friends. Save this and then close. And then here, who can follow me? Click this. Friends is okay. So yep, you have here who can comment on your public post. Click this one and then set it to friends. Public post notifications, click this one, set it to only me. And public profile info, click this. All right, friends is the last option that we have. And then off Facebook previews, just go ahead and disable this one. All right, once you're done that, close this one. And then here, who can post on your profile? So click this one, only me, save it. Who can see what others post on your profile? So we're going to go ahead and set it to only me as well. There you go. Allow others to share your post to their story. We're just going to disable this one as well. The same thing here. All right, there you go. So I've set them to only me, and yep, after doing so, I can just close this one. And then from here, I can just go ahead and close this one. I don't want to block anyone really. I just want them to be able to have as limited access as possible. So yep, let's go ahead and try to click this one here and click view as. And if we are going to try to see ourselves in public eyes view, this is what they are going to see for our profile. And that is how you're going to make your Facebook account private on PC.